Good morning. Today we are visiting the best Western Plus Carpinteria Inn in Carpinteria, California. And this is room 335, which is a basic room with 2 queens. So this is going to be a little tour of our room. Has a small closet, a full-size mirror by the front entrance, a very nice bathroom, with a very modern sink and a mirror that lights up. I have never seen such a thing, so that was pretty exciting. Bathroom was very clean, and I apologize for the mess here because I'm filming this right before we checked out. But I wanted to give you a short tour of the room so you can see what it looks like. The shower is very nice. It has a bathtub as well. Very clean. We got a lot of towels. So here you can see the lights on the mirror, which is pretty neat. And here's the closet, and coming out to the left is the main area of the room. 2 queen beds, very basic. There's a very nice desk where you can work, and the mini fridge is very nice. Dresser. And by the way, this room does not have a microwave. It does have a safe, has a mini fridge, but no microwave. And we discovered after we checked out there's actually a microwave at the end of the hallway. And coming out here, we have a balcony with a great view of the courtyard. And I made a separate video of the entire property, and I will have a link to that video up at the top. This is a very beautiful property. This hotel is about 11 miles southeast of downtown Santa Barbara, and it is only 1 mile from the beach, Carpinteria City Beach. There's free parking on the streets, and it is also very close to downtown, where there's lots of restaurants and a grocery store. If you're staying at this hotel, try to find out if you can upgrade to one of the rooms that's facing the courtyard, because it really is quite beautiful. I do want to mention that the balconies are kind of interesting. You're not going to get full privacy on the balconies, meaning there's nothing separating the balconies between my side and the people next door. But the balcony is still nice if you don't mind sitting out there. And here you can see that there is my neighbor sitting right there. There is no privacy.